We will record it live. We will record it live here on Wednesday, September 10th, 2025, 4:32 p.m. Central Standard Time. And here we are. Where are we? I did take $45,000 out to set aside for quarterly taxes. That's just the federal portion. Wah, wah, wah. But we are up over 32% now at 32.38% for the year, 552,000. So we've got that going for us. But the trade streak broke yesterday. Let's see. So Monday. I think I shared this with you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. We had a long in silver, a long on ES, both of which worked out very well. The daily was 54.16. And then yesterday we started the day with a kick to the cookie bag on silver. Did get stopped out at a $2,575 loss. Turned around and went short on gold and was able to collect 36.55 and then did a little short on the S&P for 1,037. So we did still end up profitable for the day at 21.17. And then today, aside just being a gorgeous, brilliant day where me and the 9-pound, 2-ounce Shih Tzu named Stella Bella and my lovely bride spent several hours at the beach. Glorious day. Look up the Indiana Dunes National Lakeshore. It's just a great place, and we're blessed to live close by. Did have two successful trades, both of which were long. Long silver at 41.53, had a contract limit at 57, and then two at 64 for a total of 14.21 into the Velcro wallet. And then we caught a little bit of a tiger by the tail here on the S&P. Had four contracts at 65.28, took one off at 33.38, and then two at 42, which was very nice, for $2,484 for a total of $39.05 for the day. Then I had one little baby trade in the funded account for $336. So all good on that front. The charts go a little something like this. Hit it. And remember, we have CPI tomorrow at 7:30 Eastern or 7:30 Central Time in the morning. And regardless of what it shows, there will be some volatility around that news. So what I'm looking for today or tomorrow will be support at 31, 23, 16, and then a big one at 06. It's just been around that number for several days until a breakout yesterday. And upside, I've got 43, which, we were above 43 and 50, and we went up to like above 62 today. But now those are resistance again. So we'll be looking for 43, 50, 62. But depending on the reaction on the CPI is where I will determine what my trade plan will be. And as far as the Bitcoin is concerned, whoa, messy. Got all those knocked out, didn't we? So I'm to change the color of these lines. Whoa, that's a nice looking little bull flag there on the Bitcoin. I was thinking it might come back down and dip into the 112s before heading up to 15, 16, and then 17, because I think that's where it's going next. So we'll see if it takes a little dip and it looks favorable, because this could do maybe threaten this high of the day, come back down for a little lower low, and then before taking off, hitting the 15, 16, and 117. That would be what I'd be looking at. But I've been trying to trade less and less Bitcoin just because it's so volatile. Very much concentrating my efforts on the S&P futures, just trying to recognize patterns. I'm catching some vibes on those patterns, so I hopefully will be able to replicate those trades over and over again if indeed what I'm seeing is what I'm seeing. Because we talk ourselves into things all the time, right? Yeah, I think I'm right here. I've seen this before. Then the market slaps you silly. Silver, I'm still looking for this thing to go up. And you know where I think it's going to go soon will be all the way up to 44. Where is that fifth wave? Right there at 44. That will happen. It's just a matter of when. If we get another dip into the 500s, mid 500s, then I'll be long again. But we'll see. We'll just be watching the price action. And I'll start by watching it in 22 minutes when the futures market reopens. I'll be looking, closely just to see how it opens on both ES. I should say I'll look for it on all of them: Bitcoin, silver, gold, and S&P. Speaking of gold, I did miss a long trade around here today. I was being stubborn for, my limit order price to get in, missed it, and then it went right up there. And I thought about another one as it started to threaten 78, went all the way down on the wick to 74. But I was at the beach, so I didn't take any trades on the gold. So that is my plan. I'm sticking to it. I just measured this up before hitting the video just to see like what type of move have we had since that April low. Only 1,601 points for 32.42%. Crazy. And it's not done yet. I don't think it's done yet. I think we'll be threatening 6,700 before you know it. That's what's happening here on the home front. Got some steaks going on the grill soon, some green beans, some corn, and it'll be fresh off the cob because I've been spoiled by my lady friend. Why eat it on the cob when it can be? She has like some gadget that she uses to basically run the corn through it and it pulls off all the kernels. My mouth's watering thinking about it. So that'll be going on. So thanks for joining me. What's going on? Let's see. Oh yeah, tomorrow night, Packers over at Kevin and Holly's house. Haven't seen their new house since they moved in a couple months ago, so I'm excited about that. And then we've got a long weekend at the lake house at Kristen and Brian's lake house, and my brother and sister-in-law will be there, and it's our annual event, early fall. So excited about that. Thanks for checking it out. Like, subscribe, comment, share this channel and this video with a lovable friend. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.